Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to change video background in CapCut. This is very quick and easy. Let's jump right in. First of all, you have to open CapCut, and here you have to click on new project. Now here you have to go to your photos on your mobile phone settings, and here you have to select any photos which you want to add the background of your video. Now here you can, for example, I select this. After that, after selecting this, you have to add. Now here you can see this is my video background. Now here you can choose your video ratio. Click on this, and here you have to select your video ratio. After that, you have to zoom this background to full frame. After that, what you need to do, you have to click on overlay. Here you can see you have to click on simply overlay, click on again or add overlay. After that, here you have to add video of your YouTube
Hello
channel.
everyone.
Now after that, select this video. Now here you can see video background has been added. In this way you can add video background inside CapCut. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.